Details. We're going to, in fact, move on to some more breaking news coming in, where Uttar Pradesh has recorded 75 new active COVID-19 cases in a single day. This brings the total toll of COVID-19 cases in the state to 117. The state administration has assured that health infrastructure in Uttar Pradesh is prepared to take over any sudden surge in the number of cases. Nikita Sareen joins us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Nikita, what more can you tell us about the situation in Uttar Pradesh at this point of time?
Well, as far as COVID-19 cases are concerned, they are on a rise in India, with number of active infection climbing to again more than 3,000, and according to latest update from if we talk about Ministry of Health and Family Welfare as of 30th of May 2025. And if we talk also about Uttar Pradesh, the active cases are actually climbing here as well. And if we talk about Lucknow, then three active cases have COVID have entered in Lucknow as well, and Kerala again continues to report highest number of COVID cases in country with more than 2,000 infections, also followed by Maharashtra with 450 active cases as per. And if we also talk about Delhi with 300, and also Gujarat with 250 active cases there. And again, government also, if we talk about Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, he is heading a meeting where he is also saying to take care of themselves. There is no need to worry, but still, if the active cases are going on a high verge, then we need to be careful here. And a 63-year-old man with many problem have also tested COVID positive for COVID-19 and died at private hospital, taking the coronavirus related health to the state. And also many people are in getting this infection, and they are also being getting admitted to hospitals. If we talk about Bengaluru, Maharashtra, their active cases are actually getting on high verge, where people are actually dying as well. And according to the health department, also the elderly patient who was fully vaccinated was also post-operated for chemotherapies, and also like pulmonary TB problems
Right.
have also been affected. And also if we talk about India, the currently experience a concerning increase in COVID-19 cases, which are affecting, and people are reaching for more than 3,395 as on May 31, 2025. So these are the active cases.
Okay.
Also, particularly Uttar Pradesh is going on more than 300 active cases, which is providing now a great concern, where government is also heading a meeting and awareing public to please take care of themselves.
Absolutely.